Here's your problem, you see that? That's where we are. What's the rig?
Your reality, no.
What's up? So today is a completely different video than normal. We're going storm chasing, and I know you haven't really seen the truck from the outside yet. Sorry, I'm in traffic, so I might be a little distracted. We're getting into Oklahoma City. We're tracking a storm that a lot of other storm chasers are tracking, Retimmer included. Oh great, now really good traffic. He's going to the very far west side of Oklahoma City, almost to the Texas border, where the storm, or part of the storm, is actually developing before it converges into the bigger part of the storm. Well, we're going to a town that's in front of that one, where there's another chance of a tornado developing below the town that he's going to. So my thinking is, hopefully, if one of the other develops a tornado, it's going to be moving our way into this town that's in between these two. So we'll see what happens. Big chance of hail, at least like baseball sized. You know, it can change. There's a pretty decent chance for tornadoes. But as far as the vehicle, this is Harambe. Doesn't get shown a lot, and we'll show you when we get to a place where it's not raining and we're stopped. But I converted it into chase mode, which we have a roll bar in the back. You can see it back there. Here's the CB speaker. We got the Uniden Bearcat CB radio with the NOAA weather radio. We got the mic. We got the roll bar lights switch and the brush guard lights. It has a brush guard now. It's got old school wheels and tires. Other than that, not much has changed. We got Bob Ross now. I mean, so that's all the more better for chasing. We've got to have Bob Ross. We got an anemometer on the roof, measures the wind speed, and we have a amber beacon light on the roll bar as well. So, like I said, whenever we stop, we'll show all of those things. But for now, we're gonna try to hurry up and get to our destination.
There's some hail. My goodness. This guy's not having it.
It's not too big right now. Can't tell how big it is, but it doesn't sound that.
I saw one hit there. It's about pea size.
I know it sounds a lot worse than it is.
If you look at the hood scoop, you can see it. Every now and then one hits right there.
Okay, now we're dealing with some pretty big hail.
You can see it bouncing across the ground. Look at it. And he just keeps driving.
Gotta get there. It's definitely not golf ball.
It's like
It looks like quarter size, probably.
it's like almost ping pong ball size. Not even.
Not quite.
It's loud though.
I'm watching how big ice is.
You can feel it. You can feel it on the floor.
We took a more southern route to try to avoid the hail. Apparently it's not possible.
Okay. All right.
It's
It's getting big now. My God. Yeah, we're gonna park under a tree.
just for a minute. Man. Okay, look, we can see it on the ground. Here. I'll get you guys out real quick. Brisket for the biscuit. Yeah, it's about oh shit! Woo!
Did that hurt?
No, not really. It was cold. It felt kind of strange. It's between dime sized and about nickel sized, but it sounds so much louder than that. There you go. Wow.
Take cover.
Look at the trees.
Whoa, lightning struck right there.
We got rotation just south of us. That's what we're just getting a small tidbit of what's actually happening. Oh yeah, see, that's the problem. Right there's your problem. You see that? That's where we are. We're in the hail directly.
So we need to go like,
Well, if we can make another half mile to this road, we can travel south to get out of this hill. The rotation's further south of us anyway, that's where we're trying to go. Typically, the hail is always on the outskirts of the station. I don't know if it's always on the outskirts, but to my knowledge, it's pretty much. Check out the sky over here. We'll probably get the end of this supercell, and it is looking nasty. We're now heading to Loco, Oklahoma. Just keep an eye on that supercell. We finally got away from all the hail.
wind's behind us at the moment too.
It's looking pretty good here. And we're over here. We got some good rotation happening. See it? Look at it up through there. See it moving around?
Yeah.
That's rotating right there. It's hard to see, but I got it on the radar. This is pretty incredible out here. Check out the rotation happening up here. Not really doing anything super crazy. I don't think it's going to turn into a tornado just yet. But we're heading out this way. It's starting to rain again. And there's a bunch of rotation happening back through here. So hopefully it'll converge and create something. But check out the supercell. That is beautiful. See it? I don't know how well you can see it there. Clean the lens up. Trying to figure out what this is doing right here. Check it out on the radar here. What it's doing. It's rotating in on itself and around us. Wow. So we need to get down here. I don't think it's gonna do anything right here.
The camera's not showing it real well, but there's a bunch of activity there. Just washed out so much of all that.
I don't know if y'all can hear it yet. It's a tornado siren.
Can't hear it anymore. It was back there though.
No, it rotates. Okay, so a little update. We saw some pretty good rotation over there. I got a good picture of it. I'll put a picture right here. And if you want to look right here on the map, this is what we're going after. I don't know if y'all can see that right there. Right there. Look at that major updraft going on. It's crazy. Oh. There was just a little funnel right there. Yeah. Hang on. We're gonna park on top of this hill.
So what's been happening?
So we've been chasing these different tornadoes that exist somewhere, but they're rain wrapped and we can't see them. So we're just trying to keep getting ahead of it, get ahead of it.
It's probably been about an hour since the last clip.
Yeah, so we've just been doing whatever we can do, and now we're checking this out here. Yeah, there's a little tiny funnel cloud. This is what we're looking at right now. Got a lot of rotation happening. It's trying to do something right there.
Here, wanna take this?
Yeah. Look at it moving around. Right here, the whole thing is rotating. It's rotating right on top of us. Here, take this, let's get out. Actually, I'll move over to the side a little more. National Weather Service is also concerned about this rotation happening here. Do something. Been chasing this thing for 500 some odd miles today, and just want a tornado. That's all we want. Harambe Shampoo took all those hail beatings and brush getting thrown at it, and thousands of gallons of rain.
Yeah, I don't even see any hail damage. Yeah, look at that.
Dude, look at the downdraft off of that.
Yeah.
Right there.
Camera keeps getting wet.
Dude, right here. It's right on top of us.
Oh, okay, that's some wind there. Oh, my hat. My hat. Get it. Save the hat. I just bought that hat. Yes. Yes. I just bought that hat too. I'll hold this now. Woo. Oh. Come on, what you got? This is the truck.
Yeah, pretty good rotation.
Oh yeah, look directly up.
Look, it's obvious. Anemometer's going crazy. Let me see what the wind. Between 20 and 40 mile an hour.
Yeah. Ow.
Okay, we're starting to get some rain.
Yeah. Ow. Pelted with raindrops.
Alright. Squeak! We're gonna go see what we can find up here, and hopefully it develops into something. Hey, how's it going?
Storm Chaser?
Yeah,
What's your name?
Corey.
Corey?
Yeah, Phillips.
Cool.
Yeah.
I've been watching Ryan Hall, y'all, and all them on. I've
Yeah,
been watching all fucking day.
I have been too.
My
And
house is right over here.
we've been chasing it all the way since almost the Kansas border.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
we got some really good footage. It's gonna be on my YouTube channel if you want to check it out.
What is it, Corey Phillips?
Yep, Corey Phillips.
All right.
Yep.
Cool.
Appreciate it, man.
Later.
Check out the green sky over here. All right.
What the hell?
That's the
Look at that. That's whoa.
that's the rotation that we're seeing on the map. Check this out. See that? Right there. That's what we're seeing. Why the sky looks like that.
Look, you can see it on the GoPro. It's like green. Bruh.
Green sky. We got greenage. So we're right outside of Howe, Texas, and we're on the very edge of where there's some rotation. There's a big nasty hook coming from that direction, and apparently they're scared of it here because we were just on our way home, but tornado sirens are going off, so that's neat. Maybe it'll roll in. Okay, so the tornado siren, it keeps going off. And I look on the radar here. Yeah, there's a tornado heading our way. Right there.
Yeah, we're right in the middle of it.
I gotta check this out.
Look at how it's rotating. Oh, the truck.
Dude. I saw 60 something there.
Truck feels like it's about to lift off.
Yeah.
40, 50, 60.
You can see the spin in the storm right here. Wow.
Dude, I don't know. I don't like this.
It's fine. We're good. Yeah, I won't even get the slightest bit concerned until that place over there loses power.
Yeah, this back here also came back. That came back. Oh. It's off and on.
Still some light hail.
Oh, I can see the hail.
Continue on Lee Street for 1.5 miles.
it's actually the next night. We got in really late last night and just went straight to bed. So overall, truck did amazing. Suffered no damage that I can actually see. On the roof, it used to have some hail damage. It's been a long time since I cleaned the roof. And it has some hail damage up there, but I don't know if it's new or not. I don't think it is. The roof is the thinnest part though. But as far as the sides and the hood, there's no damage. So we're all good there. There's a few little things that I'm gonna change, but overall, couldn't be happier. We did like 748 miles yesterday. And just like I said, it's just overall, I mean, did really good. I mean, just cruised through the rain as fast as we wanted. All of the equipment did good. So hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, completely different than what you're used to seeing. Hopefully we'll get some more storm chasing content up if y'all enjoy it.